In 2014, with the release of document number 56 of the General Administration of Customs, China's cross-border e-commerce industry officially entered into a peak of takeoff and rapid growth. As the first batch of practitioners in the embryonic stage of the cross-border e-commerce industry, Xingyun Group was founded on May 25, 2015. The development of cross-border e-commerce has created platform-driven opportunities for the digital reconfiguration of supply chains for consumer products. Xingyun Group has positioned itself as a digital supply chain service platform for consumer products. By providing global channel operations, distribution, and cross-border supply chain services, Xingyun Group has created a comprehensive system of services for commodities and helps these commodities to circulate globally. After 6 years of steady development, Xingyun Group now has more than 3,000 employees worldwide, with its development strategy based on multiple headquarters in Shenzhen, Hangzhou, Shanghai, Hong Kong, and Singapore. Xingyun Group has also set up holding subsidiaries in 72 countries and 1 region around the world, including in Germany, Japan, and Australia, etc. With the global expansion of its development strategy, the company's performance has also achieved a remarkable breakthrough. Between 2017 and 2020, our annual transaction volume increased from 1.2 billion yuan to nearly 30 billion yuan. At the same time, the company's business model has also been validated and become highly favored by the capital market. More than 30 top-tier financial firms, including Eastern Bell Capital, Matrix Partners China, YF Capital, and GCR United Capital have undertaken successful investments. In April 2021, Xingyun Group achieved about $600 million in a C2 round of financing. In order to realize the fully linked-up mode of cross-border trade integration, Xingyun Group has established its comprehensive service system for global commodities. In terms of empowering global brands, Xingyun Group has built up one-stop solutions including marketing, distribution, and contact fulfillment, providing branding agent operations, new media and digital marketing, omni-channel sales management, digital delivery and contract fulfillment services for brands at different stages and with different demands. At the same time, Xingyun Group has set up an omni-channel mode for distribution, covering traditional channels, new traffic from live streaming e-commerce, community group buying, and SME empowerment, among other areas. Our online distribution network covers more than 200 e-commerce platforms in China, more than 100 A-list KOLs at partnering live streaming broadcast agencies, and more than 1,000 individual KOLs with offline operations covering more than 160,000 offline terminal stores in 160 cities throughout China. Xingyun Group has also launched LinkyStop to provide integrated one-stop private domain product sales solutions for brands, opening up commodity trading links on different platforms and monetizing service traffic. LinkyBuy, as a SaaS-based cross-border e-commerce comprehensive service business, empower the digital transformation of overseas offline retail terminals, providing effective support to retail giants in entering the Chinese market from a variety of countries while realizing performance-based expansion. At present, Xingyun Group has provided nearly 350,000 online and offline small and medium-sized retailers with digital supply chain services accessing around 3,000 domestic and foreign consumer brands and nearly 150,000 SKUs. In terms of logistics services, Xingyun Group has entered into cooperation with domestic and foreign logistics providers and warehousing infrastructure partners to deploy more than 160 warehouses around the world. The combined storage area has reached 1.3 million square meters, linking logistics channels of air, maritime, railway, and land with more than 200 routes, and encompassing 72 countries and 1 region. Xingyun Group has established a centralized platform featuring a supply chain system with a 4-flow configuration based on logistic flows, business flows, capital flows, and information flows. It adopts a combined business center and data center platform to provide a closed-loop data operation system, which enables efficient business exploration and innovation to take place. In 2020, Xingyun Group seized development opportunities to support Chinese brands to go overseas and comprehensively deployed its overseas digital supply chain services, taking the new infrastructure for circulating global consumer products as its goal, deepening its centralized digital and intelligent system, integrating its resources in the global industrial ecology, linking supply and demand along with the whole industry chain for overseas services, and providing one-stop fulfillment services as well as the resources of its overseas omni-channel distribution system to overseas brands. Relying on its basic advantages in the field of circulating cross-border consumer products, Xingyun Group is able to provide 369 fulfillment solutions for the circulation of global consumer products. Xingyun Group provides end-to-end order fulfillment services for products, overseas operation services for brands, logistics solutions ranging from the first journey to the main trunk line all the way to the last kilometer, continuously promoting cost reductions and efficiency improvements throughout its global consumer product circulation system. The business of Xingyun Group covers 72 countries and one region in the world, serving 70% of the global population and covering 83% of the GDP in the global market. Through its high-quality digital supply chain platform services, Xingyun Group has braved the winds and waves all the way and has won more than 80 authoritative industry awards, such as the 63rd ranking in the list of top 500 enterprises in Shenzhen, National High-Tech Enterprise, Unicorns for the New Economy in China, and Social Responsibility Enterprise. At the same time, the Shenzhen Xingyun Cross-Border E-Commerce Research Institute was established, which is committed to the establishment of industry standardization and the empowerment of industrial development. In the future, Xingyun Group will focus on industrial ecology and technological services, empowering global products, providing quick and accurate access to retail traffic, creating additional value for the industry, and make global trading easier.